Tired of being the HR help desk for pay stubs and W-2s? Configuring self-service empowers employees and frees up your time. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. As an administrator, go to Settings or Security. Look for Employee Self-Service Permissions. You can enable features like View Pay Stubs and W-2s, Update Personal Info, Address, Phone, Request Time Off, and Enroll in Benefits. You control exactly what each employee group can see and do. My crucial pro tip? Launch it with a training guide. Don't just turn it on. Create a simple one-page guide or short video showing employees how to log in, find their pay stub, and update their address. A little upfront training prevents a flood of how-to questions later. Shift from providing data to providing access. Which self-service feature do your employees use the most? For more guides on scalable HR operations, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.